sweethearts, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Are you guys ready for this two-colored Afro Kinky twist bob? You guys stay tuned and I'm going to show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, let's get right into it. You guys, my hair is washed, conditioned, and air dried. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, sweethearts, as you can see, this hair is like half used. I went through my closet and I've noticed that I have a lot of hair in my closet that I haven't used or I haven't got to. So that's what I kind of planned on doing for my next couple of hairstyles. I just really need to go through and, organize my closet that has a lot of hair and product. So that's what I plan on doing. We are definitely going to be greasing our scalp as we go. Okay, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and split this hair in half because this is only going to be for the back. Okay, when doing a bob, the back has to be short, then the medium has to be medium, matching up to the bottom of the back, and then your top has to be long, matching up still with the back. So the bob is very tricky, and you got to make sure you cut each hair to the point to where it matches each and every section. How to twist. Okay, we're going to stretch our hair. When we stretch our hair, the fingers we're going to use is our thumb, our pointed, and our middle. We're going to treat this hair like we were going to do a box braid. So you're just going to start braiding a couple times, and we're going to braid until you know for sure that it's secure. Then we're going to split our natural hair into half. When we split our natural hair into half, then we're going to begin to twist. When you're twisting, make sure you're clamping to prevent breakage or to stop it from snagging or pulling out your hair. Okay, when you're twisting, you're going to twist each piece of hair, twisting each piece to twist together and make a twist. So as you're twisting down, you're going to twist each piece separately and then twist those pieces together. That's the best way I can explain it, you guys. Okay, sweethearts, I'm going to slow this down just a little so I can show you just how I mean when I twist each twist and then I twist those together. One thing I like to do while I'm twisting is after each twist, I go ahead and grab my scissors and I cut the ends off. So at the very end of the hairstyle, I won't have to do that. Okay, I am done with this color for the very back. I'm going to start with my middle. I'm going to cut just a little piece off the end so it will match up to the back of my hair. All right, I'm going to get to work and I'm going to talk to you in a minute. Okay, my sweethearts, make sure you're oiling and cutting as you're going. Okay, we're going to be cutting the 1B in half, just some of it, because we're going to only be using this on the sides of our hair in the front. Around the perimeter of your head, the back, the sides, and the front, please do not make these so tight, okay, you guys? I stress it enough because I do want you to have your edges. I love my edges. So the tighter you have it around the edges, the more your hair will be pulled out. So please be careful. Another thing about me putting my edge control on my hair early is because I'm going to be using it throughout the weeks, so you might as well put it on now. Now at the very top of my head, I'm going to keep the hair long. I'm not going to cut it at all, and we're just going to go from here. Now that we are pretty much complete, we're going to go ahead and grab our scissors and we're going to cut just in case if we missed a couple, because we kind of always do sometimes. I know I do. So go ahead and cut, and then when we're done cutting, we're going to grab our Shine and Jam Magic Fingers mousse. That's right, I said it, mousse. Okay, and go ahead and put that over your head, and guess what? We are done, my loves. And these are the finished results, sweethearts, you guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving this bob look. I'm loving how it's, short on one side, long on the other. I like how it sits on my face. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, please share, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.